Hi everybody, my name is Martin, QA engineer at Tatum, and in this video I will show you how to utilize our TypeScript SDK to get all NFTs NFT collection holds. It's pretty easy. You just need to import our SDK here with few modules, then initialize the SDK on Ethereum network. Here you can choose either mainnet or testnet, and method itself, get NFTs in collection. Pretty easy. You just put to this parameter collection address the token address of the NFT collections you want to check, and then print it out or do whatever you want with this data. First, I will install our SDK, and then we can run the example. So in the terminal output here I have the NFTs the collection holds, and then you can do whatever you want with the data. You can check our documentation, the link will be in the description, and you can check the example I showed you. Also, you can play with our CodePens to get the feeling how to implement it in the web application. Hope it helps, and see you around.